A rather struggling start. At the moment, these gentlemen are able to take the momentum. Nothing stops them. Nothing stops them. And there he goes. Alright, so bright up here. He starts slow but sure. Oh wow. That's what he knows. There's a kind of action we want to see. SWAT. 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 Very impressive. Let's go. Let's go. He loses. But I just want to
That's one.
As water drips out of the tire, this man is relentless in flipping it up and down, all ahead of him, full flank. And he keeps moving. Ahmed watching. Last year, Ahmed Boachi walked away with the title belt. He walked away with the car and with the topmost cash prize. What will he earn this time? Ahmed Boachi. Ahmed Boachi.
That's the fifth one. Let's go.
These gentlemen have 120 seconds. 120 seconds in total. Ahmed Boachi. At the moment, the strongest man in the country.
Let's go.
He looks at the commissioner, exasperated, looking for some sort of motivation. But the motivation is right in front of him. His biggest fan is right there cheering him on. Ahmed Boachi, how many flips will he execute in the end? Time up, 2 minutes up. Is this too easy for this man? Let's go. Shaka Zulu. He is still going. How many flips will he execute? This is the Ghana Strongest Grand Finale 2021. Shaka Zulu has always been immense. Anytime he's been in the show. And as I said, he's going to be doing even better this time. Will he outdo himself?
The guy do it.
Damian Smith still going on strong. Damian Smith, let's go. Zulu. So Damian Smith is still going his He has given Damian Smith and Ahmed Bouache a run for their money. And he is prepared for even better. Will he be able to beat Ahmed Bouache's 8 or go past Damian Smith with 10 repetitions? How many flips will he execute? He has a bit of time. He has slowed down the pace a little. You can tell he is tired. But his fans are telling him, do not give up. Don't give up. Do not give up. He is a fatigued man. Has very little energy left in him. Prosper Agra says no more. Prosper said no more. Can you execute? When you see the rush of blood into the eyes of these gentlemen, it tells you just how difficult this is. The kind of strength you need to execute this. Absolutely immense. Right up here. Don't give up. Let's go. Let's go. Push it down. Push it down. The kind of strength you need for this is absolutely out of this world sometimes. And right up here, struggling through it, he's not ready to fill his funds. He is not ready to fill his funds. And it's still going. He pauses to catch his breath, but still has enough in him to keep going. He drops it. Right up here. Is he giving up yet? He's got some seconds to go. He's got just a few more seconds to go. Is he giving up?